Building up your affiliate army. Hello, welcome and thanks for choosing this video course. In this course, we're going to talk about how to build up your affiliate army for review generating. So without further ado, let's jump on in. Aside from having a solid inventory, product reviews are by far the most important part of any e-commerce empire, as they have the potential to be a real asset for your business. By having a solid amount of reviews across the board, similar to how Amazon does, you build trust and credibility with your potential customers. Reviews go far beyond trust, though. Everyone knows that they're important. But do you know all of the reasons why? Well, here are the reasons. Social proof. There are many parts to making the user trust your site, and one of the biggest ones is having reviews on at least some of your products. If you don't have reviews, no one knows if your site is actually popular, and that's bad. People always want to shop where other people are shopping because it gives them a sense of safety with their purchases. SEO. Assuming bots can read your comment text, comments can do wonders for your organic search rankings. The thing is, product descriptions are limited, even on more complex products, and you're always going to be limited to a paragraph or two. It's up in the air as to whether or not longer pages affect SERP ranking. However, logically, it would make sense that reviews are favored by Google. They improve user experience. Become the guy for that item. 5 different e-commerce stores have the same product at the same price, except one of them has 17 reviews on the product, whereas all of the other ones have 0, 1, or 2. Which site are you going to be looking at them on? Likely, you'll be on the one with 17 reviews. And when the time comes to purchase because of the reviews, you'll likely trust that site the most, unless another one is a major name, and purchase from it over the rest. Answer personal question. A lot of the time, users share purposes for products. If a positive review touches on one of these purposes, reviewers will. Other users that need the same thing from that same product will relate to that review and be more likely to purchase. There are often user questions that you're not even aware of, and most won't go to the trouble of sending you a message to clarify. Reviews can answer questions and concerns in an indirect way. This leads to more sales and more money in your pocket. Getting reviews for your e-commerce store is one of the ways merchants and online retailers can add value and create a point of differentiation to their online store. So, how are you going to get reviews for your e-commerce business? Here are some ways for your reference. Set up an incentive. The first hurdle you need to overcome is getting initial reviews and reaching a critical mass of reviews that create value to consumers. It's human nature that more people will complain when they have a problem or negative experience than a positive one. So you'll need to provide an incentive to get a good cross-section of reviews, not just negative ones. For example, if you sell $15 shirts, giving everyone a free shirt when they submit a review is a shortcut to going out of business. However, if you sell $500 digital audio equipment, providing people who submit a review with a free t-shirt is probably not going to impact the bottom line. What do you do if you have a small profit margin on your products? One suggestion is to hold a contest. Enter everyone who submits a review into a contest and give away one or a few of your products every month. Another option is store credit or a gift card. By giving away a store credit, you can build loyalty and encourage repeat customers. However, if your business doesn't have repeat customers, like say a moving company, offering a gift card is another good option. Choose a generic gift card, such as one from American Express, MasterCard, Amazon, or iTunes. You can make the offer even more consumer-friendly by giving them 3 or 4 options or letting them choose their own prize. Reach out to consumers and customers. Start out with your existing customers who have purchased products within the past 6 to 12 months. Send them a polite and short email asking them to review their product purchase and telling them about whatever incentive method you have chosen. If you have repeat customers, it could be annoying for them to receive 6 emails asking them to review the 6 items they purchased in the past year. Contact them about that last purchase, but let them know they can submit reviews for all of their purchases from you. If you sell generic products that are available from other merchants, allow them to review them as well. As part of your buying circle, you should ask all new and future customers to submit a review. Hopefully, your inventory control system knows when a product ships and you have an estimate of how long it takes for the product to arrive. Give the customer 7 to 10 days after the arrival date before sending them an email asking them to review the product with your incentive offer. Another option to consider is advertising you are running a contest for reviews. Social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, or forums that are about your topic or products are sources to promote your contest to the right audience. Don't forget to create a press release and promote your incentive using services like PR Web or PR Leap. Moderating reviews. Moderating reviews is a tricky issue. For consumers to trust you and your reviews, they have to believe they are honest. You don't want to create a store where everything has 5 out of 5 stars. The customers love all the products, and the world is filled with sunshine, rainbows, and unicorns prancing in meadows. You need to have some negative reviews. That said, you need to protect yourself from slander, defamation, and questionable fake negative reviews submitted by competitors or ex-employees with a grudge. A suggestion is to develop a review policy or set of review guidelines that allow you a wide editorial latitude to not publish reviews that don't pass the sniff test. Additionally, unless you have a trusted customer rating system, you would want to be cautious about publishing any reviews without examining them first. What you want to check for is inappropriate language, potential legal issues, fake reviews, or reviews with an agenda. What you don't want to do is moderate out any negative reviews. You may think it helps sales in the short run, but all it really does is undermine your credibility in the eyes of the consumer. Sometimes fake reviews can have unexpectedly pleasant results. Now we have to reach the last 4 ways to attract reviews. Without further ado, let's dive on in. Use a reviews provider. One guaranteed method of getting enough customer reviews to make your product pages more persuasive for shoppers is to use a third-party reviews provider, such as Review or Bizarre Voice. Many retailers, including Comet, Tesco, and Argos, use these companies to add reviews to their sites. This is a useful way to build up a body of reliable reviews for product pages, which could otherwise take some time. These reviews are also authenticated so customers know that the person leaving the review has actually purchased the product in question. Drawbacks include the fact that such reviews tell other potential customers nothing about buying from your site in particular, as reviews are generally syndicated. Email customers post-purchase. Sending an email after a customer has purchased an item to ask for a review is a good idea, but the timing is a key issue here. You need to give customers enough time to have received the product and to have had the chance to start using it and form an opinion, but it still needs to be sent when the purchase is fresh in the customer's mind. Make the process as simple as possible. Some users may not have a lot to say about some products or may have a limited attention span, so make it nice and easy to leave opinions. Offering customers the option of leaving a quick rating out of 5 or 10 is one way and provides a useful summary score to add to product pages, while another way to get a little more useful detail is to ask users to give different aspects of products a rating, as Review does. Legal issues. When you decide to add reviews to your website, there's a big temptation to add fake or artificial reviews. You should avoid this. First, it's extremely unlikely you will be able to create reviews with a different style and language structure that reads like more than one person wrote them. Nothing says you're a shady merchant like fake reviews. Secondly, in some jurisdictions, writing or publishing fake reviews is illegal and may result in a hefty fine. Another issue to consider is how you incentivize your reviews. Again, some states or countries have legal issues regarding how you incentivize actions, and contest laws vary considerably, so be sure to do your research.